Guys, I'm going to show you guys this happened, this aquarium TV stand. Just how many weeks? See, as you can see. And it is not anything water from here, but see the quality, it's so bad. See, I don't know why. And you cannot even close this cabinet because of that. See, this is the YITAHOME heavy duty. And they're calling this heavy duty, so I thought it's heavy duty, but I don't know what is happening. This is not highly recommended. So I'm afraid I will not even put here anything. So it's just the food of the fish. So this is very bad. This is not good. This is deceiving company. I don't like this. So this is worth $159. It's not included the tax. But so far in the top, it's okay. The top, it's okay. It's good. But I'm thinking maybe if many more months, what will happen? And it's spreading, guys. Also here, as you can see, it started to open also here. So how is that possible? They're selling in this kind of aquarium stand, and this is not really worth it to buy. So this is very bad aquarium stand, really so bad. So this is the only, guys, I'm going to share it with you because I just put also the review in and the Amazon, because I purchased this on Amazon. So this is so bad. You cannot even close it anymore. Very bad.